Today we've held a meeting to discuss how to tame the conning of Kenyans by a few rogue agents that have been conning people, promising them jobs that they're going to take them overseas, yet all they're trying to do is get their money and crash their lives. Today we had a meeting with the Attorney General, Madam Attorney General, with the office of the DPP, led by the DPP himself, by the DCI, met with the DCI, my peers was here, and also Madam Akoki, representing National Employment Agency. And we discussed how we are going to be able to deal with this problem once and for all, so that people know that the government is very serious. Because these people are rolling back the very good benefits, the very good things that we are doing to help many young people get jobs overseas. As a result of this meeting, we have undertaken to form a multi-agency team. The multi-agency team will be made up of the Ministry of Labour, the Office of the Attorney General, the DCI's office, the DPP. We'll also bring on board the Asset Recovery Agency, Financial Reporting Center. We'll also bring in other state agencies such as the State Department of Diaspora and also the Directorate of Immigration. This will be a one-stop shop. So they will not have files locked up in a police station somewhere, in another criminal center somewhere. All those files will be brought together. We'll have the DCI conducting their work close to the DPP. Then the DPP can look at a file and reject it, or say it needs more work, or we move on with it, so that we cut out all this back and forth, so that decisions can be made, so the DPP can decide which person needs to be taken to work. Any person hiding under a company name will realize that companies are made by people, and so we are not leaving anybody out, so we'll be able to deal with that. The Attorney General will also, together with the DPP, will also be reaching out to the judiciary to see how we can get priority in terms of cases, because we want people to be, once they are arrested for this criminal behavior that they have been undertaking, we want them to be charged and the cases to be expedited, so that waingie kule committee, waanze kule maharagwe, because they have really caused a lot of mayhem. We look at from the whole of Rift Valley all the way to Nairobi to the coast. There are people who have been conning people. There are travel agents who have been conning people. There are people who have been trafficking people to Myanmar and other places who are not even registered with the government. Con people using the name of the government and ruining our good names. So we have a labor mobility program that is excellent and it's going to succeed. So we have to weed out these bad elements.